Welcome to my YouTube channel, PQS Digital IT. Today I am going to tell you about Real Techniques Everyday Essentials Plus Sponge Kit, Makeup Brushes, and Makeup Blending Sponge Set, for foundation, blush, bronzer, eyeshadow, and powder, vegan synthetic bristles, 5-piece set. Product detail here is explaining to you. Bristle material is nylon. Brand Real Techniques. Recommended uses for product is makeup application, for blush, for foundation. Color is multi. Material is aluminum. Skin type all. Item form wand. Number of pieces 5. Age range is adult. And lastly, handle material is aluminum. About this item. 1. The Real Techniques Everyday Essentials Set is your one and done makeup brush kit for any makeup look. 2. Set includes 1. RT400 Blush Brush, 1. RT300 Deluxe Crease Brush, 1. RT400 2 Setting Brush, 1. RT200 Expert Face Brush and 1. RT Miracle Complexion Sponge. 3. These 5 multitasking makeup tools help you create your base and apply your basics. 4. Best used with foundation, concealer, blush, highlighter, setting powder, and eyeshadow. 5. This Real Techniques makeup brush set can be used with liquid, cream, and powder products. 6. RT's Makeup Blending Sponge has a signature 3-point precision application design that will give you an evenly blended, dewy, full face look. 7. Extended aluminum ferrules that are lightweight and easy to use. 8. Ultra plush, custom cut, synthetic bristles that make for a soft and seamless makeup application. 9. 100% cruelty-free, latex-free, and vegan Real Techniques products are never tested on animals. 10. Designed for long-lasting makeup application. Customer reviews of this product are as follows. The rating is 4.8 stars out of 5 stars. Top reviews from United States customers are: 1. Rose reviewed in the United States on December 31, 2023. Easy to blend is worth the value of money. Easy to clean, it's great for beginners. I've had them for years. 2. Monica Cutting reviewed in the United States on December 29, 2023. This set was just what I needed. I loved how they are such good quality brushes without having to break the bank. I adore my sponge. I typically only use beauty blenders, however, for the price, I will never order another beauty blender again. This performs just as well as the $20 beauty blender. I am in love with this set. 3. Carolina Vega reviewed in the United States on December 20, 2023. El trabajo que desempeñan estas brochas es excepcional, hacen más sencillo el arte de maquilar además de ser muy hermosas en presentación. Ampliamente recomendadas. The live review from one customer of this product is as follows.
Real Techniques set, and I really like it. It comes with these brushes and two of these spongy things. Believe it or not, I know these have been around forever, but I had never tried one, and I really like it for concealer. Like this worked great. I now know why everyone uses this. I really like the quality of the brushes. I love the way this material feels in the hands, and I think that this is in general for like facial powder application, like blush. I've been using this for like a bronzer as well as like general translucent powder, setting powder as well, and I use this as a full palette eyeshadow brush. So I really like them. If you're starting off like me and you don't know where to begin, get yourself a set because they probably know what people tend to buy in general as anyways, I would say buy a set in case you don't know where to start, and they usually have done the work.
If you find that this video is useful, then please like, comment, and subscribe my channel. Click the bell button. Thanks for watching.